Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you tear down a automatic night light from Poundland. Let's start it. First, remove the lid. And then remove the bottom screws. Wow, it's quite hard to do. Well, let's see. Open it. Well, a bit hard. Now it's the bulb inside. Well, let's see what's inside here. Wow, I got to remove the stickers. Well, now see. See, here is the IR sensor and the amplifier transistor. Now I understand why they said the maximum current will be 7 watts. Because if it's more than 7 watts, it might burn the transistor out. And here is the rectifier diode and to the IR sensor. So it's quite simple with a 1 amp fuse. Interesting. Now let's put back to. Now after some time now I've put it on, so I'm going to rescrew the screws. Put the screws 1, screws 2, and screw 5. You might just also want to be careful, don't break any of the internal circuit, and make sure you see the IR sensor outside, or else it wouldn't work properly. gonna screw the bulbs back. And put the lid back. And screw the last screw. Now you might change the head into the cross shape. And now you can see the IR sensor here. Not bad. To change the fuse, you just need to see the fuse box and then put the lid upward. It's quite hard on this side. Maybe I try on the other side. A 1 amp fuse, ceramic tube. So, in my own opinion, it's definitely worth it just for a simple light bulb and with an IR controller. And if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. And I will see you next week.